Hello, a minute on this WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students Section A. Find if the set X, which we have X with the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are to find the number of proper subset of X. Now, to find subset of this or number of subset is given by 2 exponent what? N, where the N is the number of element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what? 5. So that means I'll be having 2 exponent 5, which is what? 32. But the question is asking for proper subset. A subset consists of the set itself and an empty set. But an empty set is not a proper subset. So we are going to have proper subset equals to the subset, which is 2 exponent n minus what? 1. That gives you 32 minus 1 equals what? 31. Let's see which option make it available. So that is going to be the option what? A. Thanks for watching.